So first thing we're going to do with this before we get on the lift, guys, is we're going to measure it to see what the distance is from the ground to the upper arch of the fender on all four corners, and we're going to write it down and figure out if this car is crooked to start with before we install our beam. Got to know that ahead of time. Please support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and enabling notifications to never miss out on new and exciting content.